Have you seen map posters of your favorite cities all over the internet and wondered how you can create your own? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do exactly that in just a few steps. So stay tuned to see how I created this minimal city map of Paris. To start this process, we'll go into Equator to get our map data and lines. Equator is a mapping platform that allows you to search for mapping data from around the world. From road lines to hiking trails, they have it all. It's pretty much like Google Earth, but with a lot more data and options of what you can do with it. To get our map data, I'll sign in and then go to the search tab. I'll type in Paris into the search tab and then wait for it to zoom into that city. Then I'll switch over to the Layers tab. This is where you can search for any type of layer of map data that you want. In this particular example, I'll be looking for any type of road or transit lines for the city of Paris, so I'll be typing it in French to get the accurate data, but most places do have the English version available. Next, I'll create a blank report so that I can export the specific road layer that I'll use for the map poster. Once this report is created, I'll add a map view to get the image to show up. Now I'm just going to move it around until I find a view of the map that I like. To isolate the road lines, you'll have to turn off the base layer view and then make the background transparent. As I've done here. Now that we have our lines, you can make them any color you want, change the line thickness, and move it around. So I'm just playing around with it here to see what looks best for the purpose that I'm using it for, but you can do anything you want with it at this point and make it your own. Once you're happy with your map, export it as a PNG so we can then import it into Canva. So now that you've exported the PNG, we'll switch over to Canva for the poster design. Canva is a free online graphic design tool that has tons of pre-made templates, and specifically for this video, they have tons of poster templates that we will look over and choose one to use. For this tutorial, I'll keep it simple and choose a pre-made template that I'll then slightly alter to fit with the style of poster I want to create. I ended up going back into Equator and creating a map with a black background and white map lines because I thought that looked better for this poster. So that's what I'm using in case you guys were curious why it changed. So now I'm just playing around with the elements that Canva has to offer. I added some lines, I moved the font, and deleted some of the other elements from the original poster. So now I'm just saving this poster as a PDF print because that's the recommended setting for posters in case you do want to print them. But you can choose any setting that works for what you want. And there we have it, our final result. Using this simple method, you can make maps of your favorite cities in under 10 minutes. Let me know what other mapping tutorials you'd like to see in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the latest news in the mapping world.